Let's make some potato chicken sticks today. Potatoes and chicken both are favorite of both kids and adults. We'll put them together in this recipe. I've used boneless chicken, which is about 500 grams, 1 teaspoon mustard. You can add powder if you don't have the paste, 1 teaspoon salt, chili powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, and onion powder 1 teaspoon. If you don't have this onion powder, you can avoid it. And I've used 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and half a cup of maize flour or makai ka atta. If you don't have that, you can add 1.5 cup of maida. 2 eggs and potato pieces cut into small pieces. These are very small pieces of potato. So let's make the batter first. Add in all the ingredients, the maida, makai ka atta, eggs and the spices. We'll put everything together. The mustard paste. It's a very simple recipe and it gets done really quickly. So we'll add in the eggs and also add in the milk. I'm going to use milk here. Don't add any water. You can add milk little by little as and when required. There's no fixed amount of milk. You can add it enough to make a smooth batter. So make sure it's lump free, and now we'll dip the chicken sticks in this, but before that we have to fry the potatoes. So just fry them a little less than half done. So just put them in hot oil for a minute and remove them. They should be white just like this because we are going to fry it along with the chicken again. So it should be less than half done. So keep the batter and the potato pieces, and I've used sticks. I've threaded the chicken into the sticks and dip it into the batter. You can use a container like this or you can use a tall glass. Pour the batter in the glass, dip the chicken into it and then roll into the potato. This step might be a little tricky because sometimes the potato falls off. So we'll just place them onto the stick carefully and put it in hot oil. This tastes really delicious with fried potato and chicken. And if you don't have the sticks, you can just put the chicken pieces directly into the pan. This method makes it easier to turn, and that's why I use the stick, and it's also easy to eat for kids. So fry them till they are golden brown. It's really delicious and you can serve it with whatever dip you like. These are fried. They are almost done. So we'll fry them to a golden brown color and remove them and place them on a paper towel. I've fried the other chicken sticks as well. These serve as a great appetizer, party starters and evening snacks, and they are great for Ramadan iftar too. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. So the chicken potato sticks are ready and you can serve it with your favorite dips.